if you're a writer, you know that writer's block can hit hard and at the worst times. For today's video, we're talking about how you could develop story ideas using ChatGPT. This way, you'll not only help you smash through those creative barriers, but also elevate your storytelling. Let's dive right in. For instance, you have a concept in mind, but you are stuck on the plot you're going to write. Why don't we ask ChatGPT for help? We'll start off by typing in our prompt here. So let's say I am an aspiring story writer. Give me 10 plot ideas involving fated love and reincarnation. Then hit send as we wait. The process might take a bit, but as you can see, here's what ChatGPT provides us with a list of ideas. It's a wide variety here, so you could pick the idea that speaks to you the most. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Now that ChatGPT listed down everything that it suggested, it's time to decide on the plot idea that piques your interest more. If you couldn't decide which one from the results ChatGPT had provided, just click the regenerate option right here to have it load up another list of ideas for you. In the meantime, let's say I'd like to go in depth with this plot idea right here. So we have the story concept and the plot idea that we chose. Now we need the essential part of the story, its characters. Let's ask it to create main characters for our love story. Something like, describe the main characters for this plot, both past and reincarnated couple. There we go, and hit send. Here. So here we go. Based on how it's processed, this is how ChatGPT typed down the character to go in depth with their personality and their background information. By the way, you can also use ChatGPT to develop backstories and motivations, and even suggest character arcs to further in depth with your characters of the story that you have in mind or you wanted to write. It's nice that ChatGPT had gone further in depth without any more further prompts. So here we go. Dialogue can bring your characters to life. However, it can be tricky. But ChatGPT can help here too. Ask it to write a conversation between two characters. For instance, let me type my prompt here. Write a dialogue between the main characters of the past couple. For instance, now you have control here on the details on which scene you want for ChatGPT to generate. So let's see, I'm planning a prologue to be tragic where it leads the couple to their unfortunate demise. Here. Then hit send for ChatGPT to process everything and have the results ready with what you input right here. The processing from ChatGPT took a while to write the whole script of the scene that I input from my prompt. It paid off right here. It detailed really well right here. This can give you a great starting point to refine the conversation to fit your story's tone and characters' voices. So right here. Now, for instance, you've finished the beginning of your planned story, but you're stuck on what you'll continue, kind of like you hit a wall halfway through. Well, you have no problem for that. Describe where you're stuck and ask ChatGPT for ideas on what could happen next. Let's try it. For example, here's my prompt that I'm going to type here. Let's say, the main characters from the past couple have now tragically died, and I don't know what should happen next. Could you give me ideas? Here we go. Then hit send and wait for ChatGPT to generate what it provided for you. Here we go. Instantly, we have several ideas to move forward. You can either pick one, blend multiple suggestions, or let these ideas inspire something entirely new. And there you have it. If you want to use the prompts I use for this video, I'll leave it down in the description. So that's how you develop story ideas using ChatGPT.